so 4 cricket fans, 4 teams. Cricket discussion तो होगा ही, लेकिन घमासान युद्ध भी होगा. So welcome to Inside Sports Fan Wars, and 4 of us are here with our favorite teams. तो चलिए guys, अब क्रिकेट की बात हो रही है तो जरा क्रिकेट के थोड़े overhyped players की बात भी करते हैं. So as per you, who is the most overhyped player of IPL?
I think MS Dhoni is overhyped player currently.
Why?
क्योंकि मतलब जो हाइप मिल रहा है, वन ही डजंट मेक रन्स, वो एंटर होते हैं और स्टेडियम में सिर्फ वूहू हो जाता है, बट ही डजंट मेक रन्स. ही विल कम मेक 3-4 runs max to max and then he'll leave.
Okay.
And like everyone goes like Thala for a reason for everything that happens.
So you think that he is overhyped because people loves him?
No, not because love him, they hype him for no reason.
Everyone, like 90% of cricket
90,
fans.
नहीं, not 90%, 70-60%.
So that's majority, right?
हाँ, but
So-
जितना hype मिल रहा है उतना necessary
So
नहीं
you are
है.
saying that MS Dhoni is not playing and people still say that
हाँ,
he's the great.
हाँ.
But Rohit Sharma scores as many runs as MS Dhoni dude, in every match.
But he's
he
not
opens-
overhyped.
Yeah. So I'll tell you something. You are saying that MS is not scoring. In what position he comes to bat?
7th, 8th.
17th. And he faces like 3 balls and he scores like 15-16
नहीं, but
runs.
जब भी tough situation होता है, he'll not come or he'll come just score 2-3 runs. जब भी मैच एंड होने वाला होता है कि पता है जीत जाएंगे, तभी he comes.
to take the credits.
हाँ,
Right?
हाँ.
So do you think that Rohit Sharma is overhyped?
No.
Because he and MS Dhoni has literally the same impact. The only difference is Rohit Sharma opens and he's
Not
said
really. Not really.
You think that Rohit Sharma is a better batter than MS Dhoni in
Currently,
IPL?
currently, yes.
Currently, yes.
और वो ओवरहाइप नहीं है, उसके जो फैंस है वो जेन्युइन लोग हैं, मतलब दे डोंट हाइप ऐसे
They don't
for
have
no
Rohit Sharma.
reason.
Rohit Sharma fans don't have.
for no reason.
Okay. So India won this second test against Bangladesh, and the fans were saying that he's the greatest test captain to ever be. Okay, ever be in India. Then we went on to lose a series against New Zealand after 12 years in India. So please don't talk about his fans hyping him. But yeah, about coming back to MS
But we're
Dhoni.
when we talking about
IPL,
IPL.
yeah.
Yeah,
Exactly.
no, she said his fans in general, right?
No,
That his
why
fan-
people can have. See, you can
Yes.
be a fan of Rohit Sharma because you are a Mumbai fan.
Indians fan.
Yeah, because you're a Mumbai Indians fan, and not be his fan otherwise when he plays for India.
Okay, so what do you think will be Rohit Sharma's worth if he comes to auction this year?
It will be through the roof, man.
Yeah, what do you think? Like, say a number. Say a number. What do you think?
30
will be?
CR.
30 CR.
Easy.
30 CR for a player who has scored 500 plus runs in one season. That's not overhyped. Who is in his 37, 38, retired from Indian T20 scene as well. Okay? 30 CR for a player who you know won't score more than 300, 350 runs for you.
But
That's
he's
not
a
overhyped.
good as a player, as a captain, as a mentor. He's really good. Just like we talked,
Yeah, but
he's
again-
a good mentor.
Again, so is Bravo. Will you get back Bravo in your team and pay 30 crores for
Are
him?
you comparing Rohit to Bravo?
No, I'm just saying that Rohit is overhyped. Every big player is overhyped. And if you're saying that Dhoni is overhyped because
I didn't say it.
no,
It's Mumbai, coming from
It's
Mumbai.
coming from Mumbai.
Mumbai straight
if
to
you're
Chennai.
saying that Dhoni is overhyped because he doesn't score runs and people still love him, the same factor is implied on Rohit as well because he doesn't score runs, being an opener, and people still love him. And like these guys said, he will go for 30 crores. That's called overhyped. MS Dhoni will go for 4 crores in this
He'll
auction.
probably get retained by the team.
For how much? For how much money? What do you think? Okay, in your level of retention. So if I give you 4 retentions for Mumbai,
For Mumbai.
yeah, tell me your 4 retentions.
Rohit.
First, you'll give him 18 crores. So the first one gets 18, the second gets 14, the third gets 11, and the fourth gets 18 again. So say that number.
So probably Rohit, Hardik.
So you'll give Rohit 18 crores, right? Is what you're telling
Yeah.
me. So you're telling me a player who cannot score more than 400 runs is impossible for him, okay? Not fit at all, not even going to be a captain, should get 18 crores. Isn't that alright?
But I'll tell you what, the debate here is not whether Rohit is
Yeah.
an overhyped
No.
player, but the debate is MS Dhoni.
So I am saying that I'll agree with her that MS Dhoni is an overhyped player because of the thing. If she agrees that Rohit is also an overhyped player,
What is this condition? Why
because
is this
she
condition
is a
there?
MI fan, right?
So-
Because I have many points to counter her.
So is that
But I'm-
so that's your point of view that Rohit Sharma is an overhyped?
No.
Is the most overhyped?
No. I don't think neither Rohit or MS is an overhyped player. The point she's told me that they score less runs, but people still love them, is the same point I'm countering her on. I can give 100 reasons why MS Dhoni is not an overhyped player, but I asked her the reasons.
Okay, fine. That's one reason. Do you
Yeah.
have any other reason where you would want to say that he is an overhyped player?
MS Dhoni.
MS Dhoni.
Other than runs.
Runs है फिर मतलब whenever he comes to the ground and there's some other player, they won't cheer for him. He's
But
the
that's
only
for
player
love,
that.
dude.
But
You guys won't know. You removed your 5 times winning captain. You don't know what love is.
I think we
People
need to
love
change
it.
the
Yeah,
question
yeah.
here. Let's-
No below the
let's
belt
go to Mumbai
comment.
versus Delhi. Mumbai versus Chennai counter. Okay, I think we have belt. Yeah.
They did below the
Yeah.
belt thing with Rohit. I'm just stating it.
So she thinks it's MS Dhoni.
Yeah.
Okay. Arohi, let's come to you. Who do you think is the most overrated player?
I think it's Ishan Kishan. Okay, now I'll explain why. Same runs. Ishan Kishan, you let him go firstly in 2022. You bought him after giving him 15.25. 15.25 CRs. He's been on the team since 2022, 2023, 2024. That's 3 years. And he has nothing to show. After that entire scene where he was released, he went into the auction, he was bought back. He also got multiple chances in the Indian team as well. He did not perform. That is why he lost his place in the Indian team. So he's not even performed in IPL. He's not even performed in the Indian cricket team. At times, you understand that probably the number gets to you, but when you're not performing in another setup as well, it's not the number, it's your performance.
यार आई थिंक ईशान मेरे हिसाब से काफी बेटर प्लेयर है. उसको जितने चांसेस मिले और जिस हिसाब से उसने स्टार्ट किया है, स्पेशली जब वो रोहित के साथ खेलता था, जो कॉम्प्लीमेंट ओपनिंग में दे रहा था, आई थिंक दैट वाज गुड इनफ. ईशान अगर नहीं बन पाया है, द काइंड ऑफ प्लेयर वी एक्सपेक्ट हिम टू बी इज बिकॉज ऑफ हिज डिसिप्लिनरी इश्यूज. अभी रिसेंटली उन्हें डोमेस्टिक सीजन में कुछ पार्टिसिपेट नहीं किया था, जिस वजह से बीसीसीआई ने उनको निकाला था. And now he got the contract. I don't know if he got the contract also, but अभी वो recently
No, he
participated.
He didn't.
He got selected for India A.
India tour.
India A.
India
As in अगर potential की बात करें तो ईशान किशन has a lot of talent, which I think मुंबई ने अच्छे से tap in भी किया है. Just because वो price tag अगर 15 CR touch हो गया तो price का जो burden होता है कभी-कभी youngsters पे, maybe that could be a reason for which he did not perform well. But overhyped कहना, I don't think I agree.
But see, I'll tell you. Sorry, I'll give you the chance to talk against Ishan Kishan being the overhyped player. But see, you mentioned price tag probably got to him. But then why don't you perform in domestic, or probably why don't you perform in international? Sorry,
But
he didn't play.
just
He didn't
performed
play.
in domestic. अभी I think
He-
कुछ
Now.
Yes.
Now. But why didn't you perform in international when you got the chance? We talk about 2022, right? The price tag
He
is
was,
not
let
in
me
this
tell you,
year.
22 के बाद Ishan Kishan was part of almost all the Indian
Yes.
squads, but he did not get a chance to
Chance to
play
play.
in the 11. After which he took a break, mental break कि बॉस मैंने बहुत ट्रैवल कर लिया है, अब उनसे मुझे ब्रेक चाहिए, जो आई थिंक बीसीसीआई ने मिसइंटरप्रेट करके उनका एरोगेंस समझ के उनको स्नब किया है. तो ऐसा नहीं कि ईशान ने परफॉर्म नहीं किया, ईशान को चांसेस ही नहीं मिले दिखाने के लिए. और अगर आप देखा जाओगे,
He's not played a single game for India. after
They
the
are not
IPL World Cup.
he traveled
IPL
with the team
He
during the World Cup.
Correct.
During other tournaments, he did not get a chance to play. And he is getting less chances than Sanju Samson. Sanju Samson is getting chances and he is not performing. And he is still getting chances. Abhi he hit a century or what?
वो भी I think after 15-20
After,
chances.
exactly. And when Ishan Kishan got a chance, he hit a 50, he hit a 200. He hit a 50 on his debut match. So probably he's getting very less chances in international, which is affecting his IPL.
See, I'll tell you what. I have nothing against the fact that he has potential. Of course, the guy has potential. In fact, he was included in he was scouted by the MI scouts. He was given a chance. He did very well in the initial few years. But later on, somehow, if you can't be consistent, you cannot be a good player.
But for consistency,
Now-
you need to give them
No.
chances.
So that's what I'm saying. Now, when I say overhyped, the definition of overhyped is you're hyping the player up so much because you know he has the potential.
Overhype
But
is
he's not-
happening because of his IPL performances, because he's delivered there. That's the reason why MI bought him
Exactly.
back
But
in
then
15 CR.
aren't you supposed to be consistent?
By giving chances, right?
So
consistent
he's
कहाँ
given-
बनूं मैं?
but
पानी
he-
लाने में?
But he's been given chances in IPL.
In IPL, he's getting chances. But the past, like IPL is in May. पहले जितने भी टूर्नामेंट्स होते हैं उसमें he is not getting
Domestic
chances.
खेलो ना तभी chance मिलेगा.
He played
He's
domestic.
traveling with the
Now
team for
he
international
started.
tours.
Exactly.
Tell me this. Wasn't Jaiswal traveling with the team for the longest,
Yes.
right? He did not get a chance initially on, but then
Uh-huh.
later they started putting him in games.
He
Now
instantly
he
got a
plays.
chance in probably
Jaiswal-
what 1 month. He
Yeah,
got
yeah.
a chance.
He did not play all formats. He
No,
only
Jaiswal
played
was
Jaiswal-
traveling for, I think, only test team, if I'm correct.
No,
I
No,
think
he used to travel with the team
T20.
otherwise.
ODI.
Test he plays.
Test he plays.
He travels.
Huh.
T20s he travels, doesn't play.
Doesn't play.
ODI I'm not sure.
He is
You
not.
don't need to be, first of all, I don't think that Ishan Kishan is overhyped because he's very irrelevant. He's not even hyped to start with. He's a brat. You don't need to get constant chances in your team to go and perform well in the IPL. Sunil Narayan doesn't even play for his country. It's his decision to not play for his country. Okay, so when Mumbai took him for 15.25 crores, he didn't justify the amount which he got. He might be affected by not getting more chances because he was a brat. He didn't agree to go and play Ranji. Why
Because he
Sanju?
was
Doesn't
mentally
matter.
tired after
Doesn't matter.
traveling with the
Doesn't
team.
matter. There are more than 1 lakh people waiting to get a chance to just go and play in Ranji.
But
When you are getting a chance, you need to go and play. Why Sanju Samson gets chances? If he's in his house, okay, and if he's called for a match in Ranji, he'll come in between. He came in between of a match this season.
He was
and played.
released from the.
Yeah,
he was
but the
released from
thing is,
this.
see, mental stress is something people don't talk about a lot, but it does take a toll.
Yeah.
We've seen it happening with a lot of players in the past. Talking about mental stress, ये अभी recently I think term coin हुआ है जब players बात कर रहे हैं.
वो बहुत अच्छी बात
ईशान
है.
किशन की प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. ईशान किशन को आप मौका नहीं दोगे.
IPL में मिल रहा है ना मौका. हम
Exactly,
IPL के बारे
no,
में बात
exactly.
कर रहे हैं.
हाँ, IPL में अगर बात
So how many innings did he play good? Like, do you remember one knock of Ishan Kishan in
See,
IPL playing good?
standout performance.
I've seen, I can see him dance in every other story of his. Okay, so if he's in a bad space, I respect it. I'm sorry for him or anything like that. I've seen videos. Now that Hardik is back in Mumbai, he has got the support of a captain. Okay, even then he didn't perform.
नहीं, I
So
don't think he
please
didn't
let's
perform.
not just
नहीं,
put
I don't
things
think-
on.
He always gave a good start to the team.
See, performance
He
के parameters
probably-
क्या है वो we cannot get into. I feel जहाँ पे वो
Do you
perform कर रहा है-
think that he justifies the amount he's being paid?
No, I don't think so. But I don't still make that still doesn't make
Do you
him a
think
very
that-
overrated player.
If you are
He-
supposed to buy Ishan Kishan again, going back in 2022, will you give him 15.2?
I won't give him 15 crores, but he's not over.
That's why he's overhyped. Because he got 15.25 crores.
But
And then
that was because
this
of the
year, this
performances.
season, he'll be released by Mumbai, right? We all know he won't be retained.
Hmm.
He's not going to get more than 10 crores.
Hmm.
So,
Question is, will they buy him back after
no,
not retaining?
if Hardik has the influence all over the team, they'll try to do the art to
I
right
think
to
so.
maintain.
Indian wicket keepers are always in a big demand, and when you have a left-hander in a team of all
He,
right-handers,
he was supposed to be a good player, but then obviously disappointed going ahead. His best friend Shubman Gill, we all can see how disciplined he is. You need to be very disciplined to be in the Indian setup. You spoke about Sanju Samson. He has been given a lot of chances. Even I agree. But the only thing about him is that he's a very big team player. He will go and he'll play Ranjis. He'll go and he'll do other things. Now, why Ishan and Shreyas are playing all the tournaments? They played every tournament. Shreyas played every tournament for Mumbai and they all won. Sarfaraz Khan, since last so many years,
Yeah.
he's grinding in Ranji Trophy, right? In IPL, he won't get more than 50 lakhs. So you cannot just count in one thing and then remove other things, right? If he's not getting chances in international cricket, okay, accept it, sad. But he's getting regular chances in IPL. He needs to perform, right? That's the only thing.
Okay,
So,
that's
yeah.
what she thinks. Who do you think is the most overhyped player?
I think it's KL Rahul. I think KL Rahul is the most hyped player in every format of the game, not only IPL.
Every format.
Yeah, I just don't. I think he's very overhyped. I think he. So the why I'll say why only in relationship of IPL. Okay, the thing is that this game has evolved in the last 3-4 years. We have seen impact player rule coming in. We have seen that okay, if you are playing at the strike rate of 130, 140, it's not good. It's not good for your team. It's not good enough. KL Rahul in his entire career has only played that. We have seen him just play as slow as possible. He's scoring 100. His entire team score is 160, 170. That's his negative impact on the team. We speak about positive impact when we say Sunil Narayan. He has a player has a positive impact, a player has a negative impact. KL Rahul is a player who has a negative impact. And okay, fine. I wouldn't have any problem. But he's said to be the best player. Okay, he has been removed from India's T20 setup, but still he'll fetch one of the most crores in this coming auction, and he'll go to RCB, he'll captain the team in front of Chinnan, and he will disappoint again. And that's why I think that he is the most overhyped player.
But I'll tell you, if we're talking about KL Rahul as an individual in IPL, he's been very, very consistent.
Very consistent.
Irrespective of how the team fares, he's always been in the top 5 most run scorers throughout the entire season.
That's why his team doesn't win. No?
नहीं KL Rahul entirely to be blamed for not winning is not the reason.
Yeah.
अभी for example जब गोइंका का इशू हुआ था KL Rahul के साथ, एक bowling टीम भी है जो शायद विकेट नहीं ले पाई थी उस टीम पे, जो पूरा blame I think KL Rahul पे आया था. You know, it's very easy to say we live in a time जहाँ पे लगता है strike rates बड़े overrated होते हैं कि यार कहाँ तुम 200 के strike rate पे खेल रहे हो और ये 130 के strike rate पे खेल रहे हैं. अब वो देखो situation कौन सी है जब वो खेल रहे हैं. एक तो वो opening batter है, आसपास वाले भी explosive हो सकते हैं, आसपास वाले नहीं हुए. सब बर्डन ये वही बात होगी कि विराट कोहली से आप बोल रहे हो यार तू 250 के स्ट्राइक रेट पे खेल, हम तो
You are a very big cricket fan. Yes. You have been following cricket. I think you guys have also been following cricket. Do you remember any player, any opener in T20 World Cup playing a maiden over in 2 consecutive innings? The first over, have you seen any player in T20 throughout the years since inception till now?
This was Shaheen Afridi you were talking about.
No,
right?
this is KL Rahul I'm speaking
Against
about.
Pakistan,
Yeah.
right?
No, back to back against New Zealand, against Pakistan. He goes, he faces. So why I'm saying this, not related to IPL, right? There's a new word called intent which we use in cricket these days. KL Rahul has none. The only thing he doesn't have is intent. He's a great player. He doesn't have that intent. He doesn't think. When he got out in the World Cup final of ODIs, he got out at 48 over something.
Yeah.
And he scored
Yeah.
slowest any player can. Like, he was asked what's your biggest regret in life, and he says that I went too ahead. I shouldn't have gone to it stark at that over. I should have stayed for much longer. So in his mind, he thinks that a game should be played 1 run per 3 balls. That's his intent. That's the
But then,
problem I have.
No,
with
but if that is the issue, why doesn't he perform in tests? Because that's exactly what you need to do in tests, right?
yeah, so
But
that's
I
what
think-
I'm saying. Nah,
That's
that's why I
what-
said he's the most overhyped player in every
I'm not
form.
saying anything against you. I'm just
I
supporting you.
think the kind of expectations you have from KL Rahul and every time ये बकरा जो होता है ना अटैक का कि यार ये स्लो खेल रहा है मतलब यही बुरा है. I think that's where KL
See,
Rahul fits in.
the thing is, at times the game demands that you play a slow
At times
game.
it does.
At times it doesn't. At times you need to do exactly opposite
Abhi-
of it. The thing is, you need to make that switch in your head as a player in today's modern day cricket. You can't be. I mean, see, there are going to be Pujaras and Rahanes who are the best in the longest format of the game who play with that intent. But Rahane, when you see him play in T20, you understand he's not playing with the same intent as he does a test.
In the
That
coming,
switch needs to happen with KL
in the
Rahul,
coming
which-
5 years, in T20 format in IPL, you will never see a player like KL, Virat, Smith. There is no such thing as anchoring anymore. So these guys used to hide behind the word anchoring. That we are the anchors. I'll start from first and I'll play till 20th. मेरे सामने वाला मारेगा. We'll score a big run. That role has gone with the impact player. Right? You have 9 batters in your team. No one cares तू है कि नहीं. तू आ, तू 5 बॉल में 20 रन बना और तू आउट हो जाए. ठीक है. So this season, and I can say it on camera right now, when you'll see KL Rahul, he'll be a different KL Rahul. He might flop miserably, but he will not go with that intention of anchoring the innings. When you're talking about the Goenka incident, I think it was the match against Mumbai, and Mumbai nailed them. And KL Rahul went and he played an anti-cricket innings, anti-IPL innings. And Goenka was just asking him, why can't we score if these guys can score? Okay, so the condition doesn't change in 20 overs. It's more in your mind. But okay, anything. I
Let's
think
say-
he is
No,
very...
I yet feel as a player in IPL, he's been very consistent and he's not overhyped because he's delivering. Now,
is.
the kind of impact his innings is having on the team, that's a different story altogether. But if we're talking
Will
about
you-
him as a player,
Will you take KL Rahul in your team?
Why not?
Okay.
Why not?
Whi-
But
which-
I would make him open the innings. That is something I can
Which
take a play
position
for.
will you make him
4 or
play?
5. 5 better.
5 better. If I give you an option to pick between KL Rahul or a Russell, which player will you take for
Both of
5?
them.
For,
Russell
for,
is there,
for only one player.
Russell, of course. Of course.
So-
See, Russell has a different
so-
skill set.
Yeah.
KL
so
has
you
another
will
skill
take a hitter for number 5 position,
Yeah, yeah.
right?
But we have also seen...
KL Rahul also has the fastest half century in IPL, by the way.
Yes.
So he is the guy who has scored the first. So that's why I have more problem with it.
That he
because
can
he
score.
can. He doesn't.
But believe
That's
me,
his intent.
अगर टीम की डिमांड कुछ और है अगर
कौन
सब
सी
लोग
टीम नहीं
hitter-
चाहेगी आपका प्लेयर फास्ट के लिए?
अगर हर टीम में हिटर्स होकर टीम जीतती तो फिर वेस्ट इंडीज वर्ल्ड चैंपियन हर साल बन जाए.
केकेआर इसके लिए जीती. SRH इसके लिए
KKR इसलिए भी जीती क्योंकि KKR के पास राइट बैलेंस था बिटवीन एन एंकर. अगर आपको याद हो पहले मैच में जब उनके 5 विकेट गए थे, it was Andre Russell who changed it. There have been times when Shreyas Iyer in the middle anchored. Otherwise,
so
Sunil
you
Narine,
understand, right? When the first 5 wickets are fallen for 20 runs, that
you have
time
to
you
anchor.
come and
Yes.
you have to samalo the innings like Virat did in the T20 World Cup final.
Correct.
When you are 0-0-0 and since that time you start anchoring,
That's what I'm
that
saying.
means
It's the
that something
management
is wrong.
problem. I'm
Okay.
saying it's not KL
If
Rahul,
you
it's a
talk,
position.
on the point that you put up right now, let's go back to the ODI World Cup finals, which
Exactly.
we're talking about. He did exactly that. He was supposed to come and anchor
And
the
anchor
innings,
it.
and that's what he did.
And he
Yeah.
waited
You can't
till the
criticize him
last.
for that.
I'm not criticizing him for that. I'm just saying that he was playing his part well. Okay, but then he couldn't. So what's the meaning of anchoring is? I know you know. I'm not trying to patronize you over here. That you take an innings to an extent and then you start scoring big in the last
Sometimes.
5-10 overs.
Sometimes it don't
Yeah.
work
Like
out.
Virat, this T20 final, he started playing. He scored his first boundary in the second over and he scored his third boundary on 17th over. So on 17th over he started hitting.
Correct.
KL Rahul वो hit नहीं कर पाया.
I
वो
tell
रुक
you.
पाया पर वो hit नहीं
But
कर
was
And it's not about ODI.
KL
World
Rahul
Cup.
was playing with Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli was already doing the job of the hitter. So KL Rahul
Exactly.
thought,
There are
let
lot
me
of
stay.
dynamics.
We'll go
Yeah.
back. I'll
Yeah.
show you the highlights of
Yeah.
the match.
Okay,
And
so
then-
for him it's KL Rahul. Let's see.
Okay, what about
everybody has an opinion. For me it's Mumbai again. Hardik Pandya. very 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 overrated because सबसे पहले जिनकी वजह से आपने रोहित शर्मा को हटाया कैप्टनसी से, जिस एक्सपेक्टेशन के साथ यू ब्रॉट हिम बैक, वो तो डिलीवर किया नहीं. एज अ प्लेयर आई थिंक ये परफॉर्मेंस आई थिंक उनके सीजन के अभी तक के सबसे बुरे सीजन से. एंड देयर इज आई फील अ ब्रांड वैल्यू एसोसिएटेड विद हार्दिक पांड्या कि हार्दिक है ना तो वो कर लेगा, मैच खत्म करना है कर देगा, व्हिच हैज हैपेंड इन सम इंस्टेंसेस बट इट कैन नॉट हैपन फॉरएवर. मुझे सबसे ज्यादा गुस्सा तब आता है कि जब तुम बॉलर हो या बैटर हो, तुम जब बॉलिंग ओपनिंग चालू कर देते हो जब आपके पास अच्छे बॉलर्स बैठे हुए हैं, व्हिच आई थिंक हैपेंड अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स इन दिस आईपीएल. आपके पास बुमराह है, आप बुमराह को यूज नहीं कर रहे हो, आप खुद ओपनिंग करा रहे हो, बॉलिंग की सामने वाली टीम सेट हो गई है, फिर आप बुमराह को इंट्रोड्यूस करा रहे हो कि चल भाई अब तू मैच चेंज कर. तो ना तो एज अ कैप्टन वो चला, ना बैटर ना बॉलर, बट फिर भी एक है कि हार्दिक पांड्या है ना तो भाई साहब वी लव. ये ओवरहाइप मुझे बहुत डिसअपॉइंट.
But he kind of redeemed himself in the T20 World Cup.
नहीं, I'm talking about the IPL right now. कि
Of
IPL में
course.
जिस रीजन की वजह से he was
Right.
brought back as a captain of such a successful franchise, आप डिलीवर नहीं कर रहे हो ठीक है, लेकिन फिर आप एटीट्यूड में भी चल रहे हो. आप रोहित शर्मा से ऐसे ट्रीट कर रहे हो भाई जैसे वो तो अपना यार है. भाई यार भी है लेकिन ही इज अ वेरी रिस्पेक्टेड कैप्टन.
Agreed.
द ट्रांजिशन जो हमने बताया था धोनी का अगर गायकवाड से इतना सक्सेसफुल हुआ है बिकॉज ही रिस्पेक्टेड है. यहाँ फिर हार्दिक पांड्या के एटीट्यूड में प्रॉब्लम है. हार्दिक पांड्या के एक एरोगेंस कुछ ज्यादा ही है कि भैया मैं ओपनिंग भी करूंगा, बॉलिंग मैं स्मार्ट भी बनूंगा, मैं छक्का भी मारूंगा, फिर भी पोज. Of course we don't need it.
But here the onus of responsibility is not on Hardik Pandya. It is on the team management कि वो किस तरीके से वो transition करे.
टीम मैनेजमेंट ने अपना ट्रांजिशन किया. मैं बोलूँ इस बंदे ने प्रूव किया क्या? अगर आपको चलो आपके ऊपर एक टीम ने बहुत बड़ा बैंक खेला है कि चलो गैम्बल करते हैं, लेट्स ब्रिंग आरोही टू दिस टीम. Ultimately it's Arohi's behavior and performances. Even if you don't
Alright.
perform, your behavior speaks a lot.
Okay.
हार्दिक पांड्या के बिहेवियर में भी वो ऑथेंटिसिटी नहीं है, बट फिर भी हाइप है और हद से ज्यादा ओवर हाइप है कि भैया हार्दिक पांड्या अभी भी आई थिंक अपकमिंग ऑप्शन में आई थिंक ये चल रहा है कि हार्दिक पांड्या को वापस से कैप्टनसी दें या सूर्य कुमार यादव को लेके आए. तो देयर इज अ फैन फॉलोइंग नाउ हु सपोर्ट्स हार्दिक पांड्या बिकॉज ऑफ वर्ल्ड कप परफॉर्मेंस. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट आईपीएल. बॉस की आईपीएल में ऐसा डिलीवर नहीं करता. ही इज नॉट अनदर Kieron Pollard.
What does Mumbai have to say on this?
Exactly, like वो इसने सिर्फ यही सीजन में खराब खेला है. Like let it be Gujarat, he played really well
He
for
played
Gujarat.
well for Gujarat only. उससे पहले वाले
पहले
मुंबई
मुंबई
में
इंडियंस में he
मुंबई में
played so well.
जो टीम थी उसमें बहुत बड़ा डिफरेंस था. मुंबई की टीम में एग्रेशन स्टार्ट था. रोहित शर्मा सूर्य कुमार यादव अच्छा कर सॉरी नो ऑफेंस टू एनीबॉडी. रोहित शर्मा सूर्य कुमार यादव यूज्ड टू गिव अ फैबुलस स्टार्ट. Kieron Pollard was there.
Quinton de Kock.
Quinton de Kock. हार्दिक came in those जो धोनी moments में आप बोलते हो लास्ट में आके
But he played well. He actually played the role of probably Russell or someone. He bowled well.
he used to bowl decently I feel. Even the
But
Gujarat
overhyped नहीं था.
मैं बताऊं गुजरात के टाइम पे when he captained it he used to come at 4 down
Hmm.
which was not his usual position.
Hmm.
That is the time when I really liked हार्दिक कि उसने गुजरात के लिए जो करा.
Hmm.
But अब वो जो confidence over confidence में आ गया. Now when you see him doing this for Mumbai, it's just
But
pure
एक
arrogance.
season can't define
I
if he is
think-
a overhyped
I
player.
think Hardik Pandya is the best all-rounder India has ever got. Okay, but I
More
think,
than Kapil.
yeah, because I haven't seen Kapil play, I've seen Hardik play, so I can just vouch for
For
Hardik.
this generation.
No, in my books, Hardik is the greatest all-rounder. I cannot think about who is the greatest all-rounder.
I'm not saying anything.
Okay.
I'm not saying.
You
I
said
just
no,
said
right?
no. I said you told her no. No.
Agree किया
So,
point.
हाँ. So I was like, he says no. ना एक बार ना बोला तो बस ना. What is it? बस.
बस
एक बार क्या? What is it?
एक बार कह
एक बार कह
दिया
दिया।
एक बार कह दिया
कह
ना
दिया।
तो बस
हाँ,
कह दिया.
continue.
So yeah, so I think that he's not overhyped. I think he's underhyped. But because a player
He's
like
not underhyped for sure.
Listen to me.
Listen
Listen
to
to
me.
me.
IPL की बात कर।
Listen to me. In IPL only, I'm saying. I'm just talking about Hardik Pandya as a cricketer in IPL. Okay, so great player, everything great about him. The points which he's saying that he's arrogant and he's unlikable. He makes himself very much unlikable, and it's the same reason for me as well. And that's why we don't rate him that much. We are like, we'll be against him. If he was supposed to be a nicer person,
Yes.
we would have said that he's the greatest player. Everyone over
Yeah.
here sitting, and I can get 10 more guys, and we'll ask him.
Get.
Not, we'll do your swipe. But so yeah, whatever. Everyone will take Hardik Pandya in his all-time T20 IPL level. Okay, because he's that clutch. He's the meaning of the word clutch. So I don't think he's overhyped. I think he has lost a lot of things, but he's the player he is because of his attitude. We cannot blame him that. He's the player, he plays those shots, he doesn't look back. He has that attitude, but again, we don't like him because of his behavior.
But अभी उसी attitude के वजह से did you see that shot? He just kept the bat like this and the ball hit the
Yeah,
boundary.
but we got 6 runs in the end,
No,
right?
no, my point is
अगर
this
पीछे
works.
देखता भी तो भी 6 रन मिलते टीम
हाँ,
को. So
I mean, you don't need to show arrogance when it is not needed. There are players like MS Dhoni, Rohit Sharma जो title जीत के भी बड़े humble हैं and they are still looking for.
Hardik won in his first season as captain.
Gujarat.
I'm not talking about performance. I'm saying the humble part.
Yeah.
MS Dhoni,
No, but I'm
Rohit
just
Sharma
saying.
आज भी इतने down to earth.
See,
हैं.
you cannot always get a Dhoni. Sometimes you'll get a Virat.
Be a
Sometimes
Virat.
you'll get a Hardik.
Be a Virat, then back it with your performance. Virat is
Because-
Virat because he's doing it in all the 3 formats.
Hardik always walks his talks. Like, I don't think that he has never ever performed when there was time to perform. This season was, see, a man going through a divorce.
Exactly.
Okay, a man getting booed at his home ground. Are people wishing for him to die in every stadium he goes? You spoke about mental health, right? It's going to affect him. Then he comes back, he wins you the World Cup, he cries in front of everyone.
Exactly.
This IPL, when he'll come back, and if Mumbai crowd is behind him, which they will be, okay, then we all know what Hardik Pandya can do. The only problem with Hardik was that he went overhead. He thought he's a great batter, so he started batting in number 3, number 4. Like you said, that he's a great bowler. He's not great of any. He's a very good batter, very good bowler. So he should come as a finisher and bowl like 1-2 overs in between.
Yes.
That's his role. Not a good captain. Not a good captain. But very good player, not hyped at all in my books.
What you said, like Wankhede mein boo. I went for a match. Literally, people, when he entered the ground to just practice, people started booing. Matlab, that is obviously going to affect his performance.
No
See, that's the
doubt.
thing. Not all fans are as loyal as us. So
No, this has nothing to do with RCB. Let's also talk about winning trophies. But anyways, so we have our 4
he's won
different-
trophies, by the way. He's won his
Hardik
trophy.
Pandya?
Hardik Pandya. won
We
the
are,
trophy
but I'm
for
just
Gujarat.
surprised coming it from Bangalore team. But anyways,
Do you
trophies
know
and-
what a trophy is?
yeah, when a trophy and a Bangalore team comes
I know
together
what
in
a
the
trophy
same
is. We
statement.
almost won it in 2016.
When
And
So
we're
you
looking
have
to
an
emulate
almost
the same
trophy.
performance again.
every time Bangalore comes in a statement,
And probably
almost
wins
is
it.
always there. Never ever. Almost. But anyway, so these were the 4 overhyped players as per us. Who do you think is the most overhyped player as per you? Tell us in the comments. Thank you.